In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter and sort CMS content dynamically using Webflow. This process is straightforward and can significantly impact the way you present information on your website. Whether you're managing a blog, an online store, or any site with frequent content updates, being able to sort and filter data dynamically will keep your website fresh and user-friendly. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we need to navigate to the Webflow website. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in webflow.com. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. For today's task, let's go ahead and click on Log In. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly so you can seamlessly access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your hub for accessing all your projects and managing your website designs. Now, find the project you wish to work on. Simply click on your chosen project to open it. This step will lead you to the project's workspace, where a variety of design and management features await you. Within the project, you'll want to locate the CMS. Click on CMS, which stands for Content Management System. This area is crucial because it contains all your dynamically managed content. Articles, products, images, whatever it may be. Now, with the CMS section open, we can begin the process of filtering. Look for the filter option. Click on it, and this will trigger the filtering panel. It's here where you can set the parameters for how you want your content to be presented. For example, you might choose to filter by date, author, category, or any custom field you've set up in your CMS. Be sure to think about what makes the most sense for your content and audience. As you adjust your filter settings, you'll notice the content list on your screen updates in real time. This dynamic capability is powerful because it lets you see immediately how the changes affect your site's organization, allowing you to tweak and fine-tune the filters to perfection. Once you've established the filters that best suit your needs, you're all set. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. This process not only makes your site more efficient, but also creates a better experience for your users by presenting them with the most relevant information, quickly and easily. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to filter and sort CMS content dynamically in Webflow. As you continue to update your site, you'll find this skill invaluable in keeping your content well organized and accessible. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!